Hello and welcome back to RC Workshop. Guys, check it out today. We are 3D printing some parts for the beautiful Arrma Felony. This thing is already an absolute work of art, guys. I love it and I'm looking forward to showing you guys around this in more detail on another video. But for now, guys, like I say, I really want to do these. I've done them on another model, which I'll show you shortly. But these are the front skirts for the Arrma Felony. These will also go on the Infraction and the Limitless. So underneath the hood here, let's take this body shell off. What we are printing is, as you'll see, down these side wells here, just in front of under the arms. Literally, when you're car park racing, that is where all the dirt and debris and dust and everything literally flies inside your car. I'll show you from underneath. So what we've got is across the back there, this one's covered, but across the front, as you can see, a big wide opening. What we're going to do is 3D print some parts. There you go, in detail. One left, one right, with the Arrma logos on as well. Wow, look at them, guys. I'm going to try and print them in black today. To give you a quick preview, I'll show you the green ones I've already done on a different model. So here we have the Limitless, and underneath you'll see just quickly, oh, look at that. Let's go over to the printer and show you what we got on there as well. So the printer's running, let's have a quick look inside. There you go, it's just putting the first layers down on there. Don't know if you can make them out. We've literally done a little skirt around the sides as well to purge the printing filament through. But you can just about see them through the top as well. We are literally, ooh, look at the state of that. I'm going to pull this on video. You ready? I've been leaving, look how many prints I've done with leaving this on, but I'm going to take it off right now for you guys. Oh, wow, look at that. Anyway, so we are 3% in. We're printing at 200 degrees. The bed's on 50 as well. Happy days. I'll keep showing you progress as we're going through, so I'll show you at 50%, but I'm looking forward to getting these on the Felony. Links to the STL files as well will be below in the comments, in the description below in this video. So if you're into your RC and you're into messing around with it and you like doing upgrades and buying parts for it, I would definitely recommend a 3D printer. 3D printers have never been so cheap and you can pick them up for absolute pennies at the minute. You could probably 3D print your money's worth of parts on it literally in the first day, and it couldn't be any easier. I'll quickly show you how. So you're going to need a laptop, you're going to need a browser. Go on the browser, you go to Thingiverse. You search what you want to search, so Arrma, Arrma Infraction, Arrma Felony, so on, Traxxas parts, you name it. This particular guy, I found these on here. His name's Magnetic. There's a few different variants of these as well. The good thing is he's printed them and he can show you exactly what they look like. You don't want to mess with the sizes or anything, but I'll come to that in a second. So you pick which ones you want. There's a few different ones on there. And then you literally will go scroll down, thingy files, literally thingy files, I'm not making it up either. You download the one that you want, you save it as a file, you download a program called Cura, which is also free. You upload the files into Cura. There's obviously some print preferences that you want to do on there as well, which are in this corner here, which is really simple. You can watch a few YouTube videos on it and be printing in absolutely no time. And then you slice it, which is a code that the 3D printer would understand. You save it to a memory card. You put the memory card in your printer. You load the screen, load file, press print, and there you go. It is printing on right in front of your very eyes there. You ain't even got to wait for the postman to bring your parts. You literally print them off. Really, really exciting stuff. Sorry, I forgot to mention as well, so once you have sliced the file before printing it and everything else, it does actually give you a breakdown of the time it's going to take to build. So in this case, it's going to take 2 hours, 37 minutes. It's going to use 19 grams of filament roll, which is absolutely nothing. Also, you can even choose to preview, so you can actually see how it stacks and how it builds and everything else. It's all good stuff. If you're into your RC and you ain't printing yet, go out and buy yourself one, guys. Print update, we are 76% complete. Oh, they are looking thick now. Top layers are going on there. Another 30 minutes or so, 35 minutes, they should be done. So after waiting patiently for 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 99% complete, we're on the last few little bits now. You may as well watch that, do that on video with me. Video's only a couple of minutes long for you guys. 2.5 hour wait for me for these parts, but still, watching them being printed in front of your eyes is absolutely fantastic. And I think there we go. Oh! Let's have a look what we've got here. Pull that down. There we go. Then we're going to go literally straight off the printer bed. Lift it up. Take it straight over to the car, which we've got waiting on its side. I'm not sure which way around this one is. Is it the bottom? And look at that for a fit, the way it marries up. It's that one there. Look at that. Oop, sorry, it's too busy focusing on something else. Let's get the screws in there. Let's get the other one off the printer as well. Let's see if we can pick it off. Yes. And there we go. The other piece to the puzzle. Let's get some screws in them bad boys. This must be the 30th, 40th part I've actually 3D printed for RC cars. And it still amazes me, guys. Like I say, somebody has designed this and it literally just fits, direct fit into that space there. That's absolutely fantastic. And yes, I know I'm not using hex screws. It's all I've got at the minute for countersink screws that are all matching, so they're just going to have to be posi drive. But not to worry, they might even spark if they catch some of the concrete or tarmac. I can't believe how much of a great fit that is. Watch how snug this is. I'll just finish up this last screw nice and quick. It looks brilliant as well. I really like them. I like them in the green that I've done on the Limitless, but this looks really nice. And they're even countersunk holes in the plastic. How awesome is that? Wow, look at that. Fantastic. So, from screen to car in one video. Anyway guys, if you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see me print more RC stuff, let me know. If you know of any other additional files and things I need to put on this Infraction or the Limitless, let me know. But please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Yeah.